For many Somalis, the sport of football is a passion, whether it be following teams in a local tournament or in one of the world's major leagues. But for one group of Somalis, it is the sport of goal that has them eager to score. A version of the classic football game and designed specifically for people with visual impairments, goal is a team sport in which participants compete to throw a ball past the opposing team and into their net to score points. The ball contains a bell which emits a ringing sound to guide the players.
The concept behind these sports is basically all about inclusivity. So I've mentioned the ball has bell in it, and because of this concept of a bell has a bell in it, a lot of sports now have used the same adaptation method to make sports accessible for blind people.
Let me underscore the importance of disability inclusion. There are so many ways that we can all ensure that everyone has a chance to participate in all aspects of life and of the human condition, and we need to keep working toward that end.
Ahead in sports,